Namaskaram everyone, hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video, I'm going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions that I've been getting nowadays, since a lot of you are doing the inner engineering online. So if you're wondering why I'm dressed up today, it's because my mom says in all my videos I look so shabbily dressed, so I thought I would wear some nice clothes. So getting back to the question. So before that, if you like my shirt, hit like. If you do not like it, you can comment below. So getting to the first asked question, most frequently asked question is, how do I learn Shambhavi Mahamudra? I have completed the 7 videos. Will there be a new video in the online program to learn the Shambhavi Mahamudra? Or where can I get it from? So the answer to that is, Shambhavi Mahamudra you will only get in the inner engineering completion program after the lockdown gets over. So this program is conducted in local centers, and also maybe in the ashram also it will be conducted now. But for that, the government needs to say that it is okay to conduct programs. When the ashram will open up, when inner engineering completion program will happen, this all will happen only when we can gather in crowds. So whenever the government says it's okay to conduct programs, then only it will happen. Now we have local centers all over India, in almost all major cities and all across the world. So all you need to download is the Sabu app, and in that you can check for the program after the government approves it is okay to have crowds. So guys, that is the answer. You need to attend inner engineering completion program. Shambhavi Mahamudra is not there available online. So next question is, can I learn Angamardana, Surya Kriya, Udashuddhi, or which is the other? Yeah, and Yogasanas online? No. All the Hatha Yoga programs are conducted offline by trained Isha Hatha Yoga teachers, similarly all across India. So now you can find these teachers by typing out Isha Hatha Yoga teacher finder in Google. I'll put the link in the description also. So you can contact them directly after searching over there. You will find a Hatha Yoga teacher near to you, so you can contact them. But these programs are not conducted online. You will have to attend a class for that. And there are some other workshops that are conducted by Hatha Yoga teachers, so you can contact them and see what are the practices that you can include right now during these challenging times. Yep. Yes, the third question, this I get a lot, is while doing Isha Kriya, I'm not able to focus between my eyebrows, or I'm getting a headache. So what you need to do, this is how I do it. So have you seen the Adiyogi statue? How the Adiyogi statue sits with a slightly, like that's how I sit. So when I do this, there's a natural focus. I neither roll up my eyes or try to focus in between, but a natural focus automatically comes. If the focus goes, that's fine with me, but I try to come back to it. So that's how I do it. So that's how I do Isha Kriya. And yes, this is one other query that I get. A lot of you are doing the inner engineering online program due to your anxiety or mental stress. But after you complete the program, you are seeing that you are coming back again to the previous state of anxiety and depression. So what I would suggest to you is, there are some tools which are given to you in the inner engineering online which you need to use from an hourly or an half an hourly basis. It's not that you just do the inner engineering online and okay, I'm done, this is enough. No, you have to keep it up. You have to keep that sadhana up within you, and then it'll go super awesome. So that's it guys. Keep the sadhana on, keep the practices on within you, and this should definitely happen. Do I face anxiety and stress? Definitely I do. Even after inner engineering, even after the Hatha Yoga programs, I still face anxiety. I still get into my depressed states once in a while, but that's fine with me. I do not try to escape from it, and that's the main thing, that I do not forcefully try to come out of it. So wherever you are right now, just be there and keep up the sadhana, and things should return back to normal super awesome. So do subscribe to the channel, hit the like or dislike, it's totally up to you. But do check out my podcast, which I'm making super regular, a lot of sharings. It's on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, everywhere. So until next time guys, Namaskaram.